Arnis, also known as Eskrima or Kali, is a Filipino martial art with roots tracing back to pre-colonial times. It was initially a self-defense and combat system developed by indigenous Filipinos. Left temple strike, a diagonal backhand strike to the left temple. Right temple strike, a diagonal backhand strike to the right temple. Left shoulder strike, a horizontal forehand strike to the left shoulder. Right shoulder strike, a horizontal backhand strike to the right shoulder. Stomach thrust, a rising thrust to the stomach area. Left chest thrust, a thrust to the left chest. Right chest thrust, a thrust to the right chest. Left lower leg strike, a downward strike to the left lower leg. Right lower leg strike, a downward strike to the right lower leg. Left eye poke, a thrust towards the left eye. Right eye poke, a thrust towards the right eye. Crown strike, a strike to the crown or top of the head.